Hello folks, this is All Ontario Mechanical. Just let my camera adjust there. There we go. So we're running a ductless mini split Fujitsu multi-zone heat pump. Air conditioner slash heat pump. So cooling in the summer, heating in the winter up to minus 21 degrees Celsius. So there's electrical. We're going to fix it up nice, clean it up tomorrow. We're just mounting the lines. We run them in a conduit, so there's a nice aluminum siding conduit all along here. And then we're running outside on the side of the wall, all the way down and through the hole there to one of the indoor heads. So you see inside there's one indoor head we're putting in there, and there's another one going to go upstairs. So that's what we do here at All Ontario Mechanical. We do quality HVAC installations at a reasonable price. If you want to find out more about our work, you can go on Google and look at our reviews. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.